Oh, hey there. Do you want to know how to grow any type of seed in a nifty Jiffy Professional mini greenhouse? Just like this one? Well, stay tuned because that's exactly what we're going to learn how to do. Okay, so you're going to need 7 things to start growing in your Jiffy Professional Greenhouse. And that is, number 1, a paper towel. Number 2, a knife. Number 3, a bell pepper. Number 4, a plastic baggie. Number 5, a bottle water. Number 6, the Jiffy Professional Greenhouse. And number 7, a cutting board. Let's get started. First thing you'll need is a knife and a bell pepper. Next, you're going to take a knife and you're going to cut the top of the pepper. Once you do that, you're going to cut around the seed head just like this, very gently, and remove the seed head. Place the pepper seeds on a napkin for about a week until they're completely dry. Now take your dried pepper seeds, stick them in a plastic bag, and gently rub them. Once you're done, you'll have a big baggie of pepper seeds. Next, grab your Jiffy Professional Greenhouse. Next, grab your favorite 10-year-old. And if you don't have a 10-year-old, borrow your neighbor's 10-year-old. And if your neighbor doesn't have a 10-year-old, go to the store and just find a random 10-year-old. Bruh. Okay, so here's the next step. Very, very carefully, take your Jiffy Professional Greenhouse and remove the contents. Now you have to be very careful because the contents inside is very delicate. Okay, so now that you've delicately removed the contents of this ever so valuable container, let's take a look and see what's inside. First, we have the Professional Greenhouse Dome. Oh. Next, we have the container with the peat pots. Ah. Next, we have Super Thrive, plant vitamin for seedlings. All right. Next, we have these little indicator strips that you can peel apart, write some jargon on, and stick in the peat pot. Okay, so next step is we need to read these very important instructions to find out exactly how to expand our peat pellets. So step number 1, expand Jiffy 7 peat pellets by gradually adding approximately 1/5 cup of warm water per pellet. Add more water when needed. All right, Ari, are you ready to add the water to our Jiffy Professional Greenhouse? Okay, so once we got all the water put in, which actually took about 2 bottles of water, the peat pellets expanded.
In like 2 minutes.
I went ahead and harvested 3 different types that we're going to be planting. Red bell pepper, hybrid bell pepper, which is a yellow and red that I picked up from Sprouts, shameless plug. Third is a yellow bell pepper. So what we have to do now is plant 2 to 3 seeds per peat pot. Let's get started.
All right.
I'm going to start with the yellow bell pepper, and I think I'm going to do 1 row of the yellow bell pepper.
I think I'm going to do 2 rows of the red pepper.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh man, all my seeds are falling. Okay, there's 3 seeds. I'm going to start right here. There's 3. There's 1, 2, Oh man, you know what? Now would probably be a good time to use our little marker sticks so we can jot down what the name is.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm planting the yellow bell pepper.
I'm planting the red bell pepper.
Yellow bell pepper. Okay, this row
Gotcha.
is yellow. That row is yellow. Which row is that? Red bell? Red bell.
You know, we did a lot of these peppers, I gotta say.
Wait, are you doing 2 rows of the red bell?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like red bell.
All right, and then we're gonna do 2 rows of the hybrid bell pepper, the yellow and red. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the yellow and red bell pepper, but they look pretty cool.
They do. They look like fire. Well, not technically.
Hybrid bell. Yellow and red. Red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow. All right, so we got that. Oh, here's my other seeds.
All right, I finished my row.
You finished your row?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll tell you what.
We need another one of those.
Now what we got to do is,
Okay.
while Little Miss Texas Backyard Gardener is finishing up the seeds, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our pin and we're just gonna kind of cover the seeds up with the peats really gently, just like that. We're gonna get them in there.
I'm putting 3 in each one.
Are you? 3 in each one? Excellent. All right. Whoops. Yellow. I forgot these 2 down here.
Uh-oh.
See, we have a lot of seeds. When you harvest seeds yourself, you can get a ton. You don't really even have to order from a seed catalog.
True.
Okay, so now that we've got all of our seeds planting, come on, let me show you exactly where I'm gonna put these for the next 7 days. Okay guys, so I found the perfect spot to put our Jiffy Professional Greenhouse. And that's right up here. This will be perfect. It's up top, it's warm, hot air rises.
It's the right size for it.
Exactly, right in here.
Size.
So, we're gonna stick this up here. Now, normally it should take about 5 to 7 days before we see a sprout. And as soon as we see a sprout, we've got to take them and get them under either some lights, or we need to stick them outside so the sun will pound down on them so that they can grow and start their photosynthesis process. And that's all there is to it. So comment down below and let us know if you've ever tried the Jiffy Professional Greenhouse and what was your results. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to ring that bell. That way you'll get notified every single time we upload a new video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Till next time, peace!